doing any type of analysis, and so you don't have somebody making a hypothesis saying, oh, I believe that this shift in number X correlates with this outcome number Y, then you're missing the point of analysis. And that's what we try to bring. So everything here, every experiment or condition in terms of a learned behavior journey, or the fact that a real-time weather moment may influence somebody's decision to move forward, all of those things come from analysis of previous data and then a hypothesis that can illuminate back to that illumination concept. I think this will happen. So then let's test it. Let's put something together and test it in a small sample with a control and see if we can get a lift over the norm. And if we do, then we can implement that more broadly. So this sort of hypothesize, test, and repeat modality is what really drives all of this stuff. Now, on a large scale, you've got machines crunching millions of rows of data, doing this sort of in a semi-automated way. But as an agency guy yourself, Ivan, you'll know that like the human element is yet to be replicated in sort of having a logical business observation and then applying that in some way.